game, the amazing Hiccup Hunters had proven that they were the greatest Hiccup Hunters ever. Hiccup. Oh, poor Binu. You still have... Oh, you scared me so much, Mrs. Sheep. Did it scare you, Binu? Yes? Mrs. Sheep is so funny. Hey, do you still have the hiccups? Binu, you're cured! Oh, you're cured! You'll finally be able to fall asleep. And that's how Doopy, the amazing Hiccup Hunter, cured his best friend, Binu. The end. Sweet jungle dreams, Binu. I've got the hiccups, Binu. I love it. Binu, I can't sleep.